Greetings, judges. We are Team SEBICops. This is our humble data-driven attempt at identifying misleading claims. With hundreds of channels and thousands of videos advising on investment and personal finance management on platforms like YouTube, coupled with search engine optimization, viewers tend to be misled by certain videos more than others. We are approaching this problem by clustering content based on hand-extracted features. For this, we have relied on actual YouTube videos data, which we have fetched using the public API, and we have referenced this in our GitHub repo. Since we have such large amount of unlabeled videos, to be precise, it is 2,418 videos, we have chosen unsupervised learning as the approach here. As we can see, we have video segment level info where segment is interpreted as the type of content that's being streamed within the video. Along with this, we also have video title, views amassed, and user engagement on these videos. While the numerical columns here have been transformed to yield as ratios as features and inputs to our clustering algo, we have used the titles to get the sentence transformer embeddings. These embeddings is basically, we are using these to capture the similarities in videos that often get clicked just by the use of words in the title. These computed columns we then pass on to KNN algorithm, used out of the box from Scikit. To get closer knit clusters, the features with the highest standard deviations are normalized, and the cluster separation is evaluated using Silhouette score. This entire pipeline now gives us clusters as shown in the dashboard. Let's take a look at how this pipeline works in action. Here's a video by Ankur Wariko, a very recent video. We are going to take the video ID from the URL and send it through our pipeline. And we see that this has been clustered into cluster 0. And if we take a deeper look at some of the details about this video, we see that the ratio of the sponsorship and self-promotion content to the total content is actually quite high. This is about within the video content. Let's take a look at what is the title. The title has embeddings that is very similar to other videos that are trying to get people to click on these videos. Also, if we see that the title of this video has changed over time since when we took the data to now, and it also seems to be a strategy to get more views. And the next one, let's take a look at this video. Again, we take the video ID from the URL. This has also been clustered into the same cluster. And not surprisingly, this also has a very high ratio of the promotion content to the total duration, as well as the title. The embedding of the title is very similar to the one that we saw just now. Taking a look at third video, this has been clustered into a different cluster, and we can see that the ratio here is now quite low. And if you take a look at the title, this is not as misleading, even to us. And if we were to actually go through this video, we would realize that this is a very informative video. With these tools and models, we are enabling viewers to analyze and evaluate the credibility of the content that they are engaging with. Thank you.